Your commercial property says a lot about your business. In a competitive area like McLean, where professionalism and presentation matter, outdated or failing windows can quietly undermine your image, energy efficiency, and even your bottom line. If you've been putting off window upgrades, here are the top signs it may be time to consider commercial window replacement. Rising energy bills. Have your heating and cooling costs steadily increased over time? Old or poorly insulated windows are often the culprit. Drafts, air leaks, and single-pane glass allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder year-round. In McLean's climate, where summers are humid and winters can be harsh, energy-efficient commercial windows can make a noticeable difference. Modern windows with insulated glass, low E coatings, and proper sealing help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce monthly utility expenses. If your building struggles to stay comfortable, your windows may be part of the problem. Noticeable drafts or temperature fluctuations. Do certain areas near your windows feel colder in winter or warmer in summer? That's a clear sign your current windows aren't performing properly. Drafts and inconsistent indoor temperatures can make employees uncomfortable and leave customers with a poor impression. Replacing outdated windows improves insulation and eliminates air leaks, creating a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment. For businesses that rely on customer foot traffic, such as retail stores, restaurants, or professional offices, comfort directly impacts customer satisfaction. Visible damage or deterioration. Cracked glass, warped frames, condensation between panes, and water stains are more than cosmetic issues. They signal structural failure that can lead to bigger problems like water intrusion, mold growth, or even safety concerns. Commercial windows endure years of exposure to sun, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Over time, seals break down and materials weaken. If you notice fogging between double-pane glass or frames pulling away from the building, it's likely time for replacement rather than repair. Outdated appearance. First impressions matter, especially in an upscale community like McLean. If your building's windows look dated, discolored, or mismatched, it can negatively affect how clients and partners perceive your business. Modern commercial windows instantly refresh your property's exterior, enhancing curb appeal and reinforcing your brand's professionalism. Sleek designs, larger panes, and updated framing options can make your building look more inviting and contemporary. For office buildings, medical practices, and retail storefronts, appearance plays a critical role in attracting new customers. Excessive outside noise of traffic, construction, or street noise easily penetrates your building. Your windows may lack proper insulation. Noise pollution can reduce employee productivity and create a distracting environment for meetings or customer interactions. Upgraded commercial windows with sound-reducing glass significantly minimize outside noise, creating a quieter and more focused workspace. For businesses located near busy roads or commercial centers in McLean, this upgrade can be especially valuable. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to open and close properly are more than inconvenient, they can be a safety hazard. In some commercial buildings, operable windows are required for ventilation or emergency exit access. When hardware fails or frames warp, it's often a sign the entire unit has reached the end of its lifespan. Replacing malfunctioning windows improves functionality and ensures your building meets safety standards. Increasing maintenance costs. If you're constantly repairing seals, repainting frames, or addressing leaks, those costs can add up quickly. At some point, ongoing repairs become less cost-effective than full replacement. Modern commercial windows are designed for durability and low maintenance. Investing in replacement now can save you money over time while reducing disruptions to your daily operations. Commercial window replacement isn't just about aesthetics, it's about energy efficiency, safety, comfort, and long-term savings. If your McLean business is experiencing any of these warning signs, it may be time to evaluate your windows and explore modern, high-performance options. Upgrading your windows is an investment in your property, your employees, and your customers. And in a market where every detail counts, it's an upgrade that can deliver lasting returns.